In today's show, Bitcoin explodes as rare bull signal flashes for the first time in 10 months, and we'll be breaking this down in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin will surge over 20% if the price captures this particular level, according to eerily accurate analysts. We'll be talking about this in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin transactions hit a major milestone. We're talking about 500 million Bitcoin transactions. Relentless, unstoppable, hashtag TikTok next block. Also in today's show, as you can see, the Bitcoin price is surging. We finally broke that $9,500 and $9,600 resistance. Heck, we're now above $9,700. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's episode, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story. Bitcoin explodes as rare bull signal flashes for the first time in 10 months. Bitcoin was trending higher through the early European session on Thursday as a very rare bull signal flash for the first time in 10 months, dubbed as Ichimoku Cloud. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. The technical indicator turned green to identify a long-term upside trend shortly after. Bitcoin surged towards $9,769 on Wednesday. It also hinted at the imminent formation of a golden cross, a popular candlestick pattern that predicts an upcoming bull market, as we can see right here in this graph. And I'll be sure to include this in the show notes below the video in the description so you can check it out and reference it for yourself. Analysts at trading signals provider TradingShot called out the Ichimoku Cloud for its historical accuracy in the past 3 years. They noted that the indicator correctly determined trend directions. On October 11, 2019, for instance, the cloud turned red. That soon followed the formation of a death cross, the opposite of a golden cross. Bitcoin fell by circa 25% shortly after the bearish signal. Similarly, when the Ichimoku Cloud rolled over to green on April 20th, 2019, Bitcoin soon established a golden cross on its daily charts. The crypto later swelled by circa 170% to mark its year-to-date high towards 13,800. TradingShot explained, as you can see on the chart, after every bearish Ichimoku rollover, a death cross follows shortly after. Respectively, after every bullish rollover, a golden cross follows. Since the new Ichimoku bullish rollover just took place, a new golden cross is pending, as we can see on the chart. We'll take a look here in a bit. The prediction came in tandem with similar bullish expectations all across the Bitcoin market. Experts, including billionaire investor Michael Novogratz, the CEO of Galaxy Investment Partners, said that the crypto is eyeing a bull run towards or above $10,000 in the coming sessions. And let's take a look at the overall crypto market. You can see Bitcoin is pumping. We climb to 9,700, and then the bears kicked it back down to 92. And in a very short period of time, within 24 hours, we're right back up to $9,746, up 3% for the day, and about to surpass that 9,800 resistance and head on over to $10,000. So this is a very interesting time, and it's not just Bitcoin pumping. As you can see, the entire major cryptos are all pumping right now. Ethereum is up 8%, trading at $212. BSV up 6%, trading at $302. BCH up 4%, had a massive pump yesterday, now trading at $441. Miss Litecoin is up almost 4%, trading at $74. BNB coin up 5%, trading at almost $20. EOS is up 4%, trading at $4.62. And XRP up 3.49%, trading at 28 cents. TradingView's top analyst Jacob Canfield also noted that Bitcoin's trending upwards in an ascending channel, and there seems to be no breakdowns in views as of of late. Taking a look at his tweet on crypto Twitter, Jacob wrote, "Zoom out and keep it simple. The $90-$100 flip was a big deal for Bitcoin, former support of the descending triangle and the China pump, ascending triangle forming on RSI with a clear uptrend channel on the daily." And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video and in the description. And as you can see, it shows the channel on upwards to surpass $10,000. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin one-day chart. Bitcoin was looking modest during Thursday's trading session, trading above 96.50 while holding a major portion of the gains it registered yesterday. But the cryptocurrency remained locked inside a bearish continuation range defined by the redded rising wedge. The channel's resistance clearly capped Bitcoin's upside attempts that raised the possibility of a deep pullback towards the support. Now moving forward, a bull run continuation could see Bitcoin invalidate the rising wedge pattern altogether. That would also lead Bitcoin towards $10,000, which it looks like we're heading and creeping that way as a major psychological resistance. And conversely, a pullback would strengthen the possibility of a breakdown below the rising wedge formation with a downside target towards the blacked 50 DMA wave. So what are your thoughts surrounding the Bitcoin price? Do you think we're finally going to break that major $10,000 resistance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And in other crypto news, Bitcoin will surge over 20%, potentially to $11,500 if the price captures this level, according to eerily accurate analysts. Analyzing Bitcoin is a tricky game. There are many variables to take into account when trading crypto, and the inherent volatility of this market makes forecasts hard, though there are a few analysts that have seemingly made good progress in the art of Bitcoin analysis. And one such is Philb, a pseudo-anonymous trader known to be one of the best on crypto Twitter. In October 2019, prior to the infamous China pump that temporarily took Bitcoin above 10K, he posted the chart, which we're going to check out in a second, drawing a rough estimation of where he expects the crypto to trend into early 2020. The estimation suggested Bitcoin was to surge vertically to the 9,000s, then plunge to the low mid 6,000s by December to only recover back to 9,000 by January or February of this year. Bitcoin trended almost exactly as Phil predicted, as seen in this chart below, which shows the rapid pump to the 9,000s, the collapse to the 6,000s, the bottoming formation in the 6,000s, then the breakout and reversal. Checking out his tweet here on crypto Twitter, "Enough is enough. Send it to 10,000 so I can collect my clout. Amen." Phil recently conveyed his latest thoughts on the crypto markets, tipping his hand to a potential surge in the price of Bitcoin if a key level can be taken. So he's saying Bitcoin could soon hit $11,500. Now here's why. In a message sharing the chart I just shared, Phil wrote that every time Bitcoin turns 9,500 to support on a weekly basis, it goes to 11,500. Right now, Bitcoin is trading above the key $9,500 price point, having surged on Wednesday morning. His chart implies that if Bitcoin manages to close Sunday's candle above 9,500, then a 21% surge towards the 11,500 resistance will ensue. And while Phil did not explain in the message outlining this chart if Bitcoin will decisively retake 9,500 on a weekly basis, he expressed in other messages to his Twitter and Telegram that Bitcoin is currently in a decisive uptrend. So after sharing the above mentioned chart, the trader posted this collection of Bitcoin charts below, writing that 7/8 of the time frame stay long, just in case it was unclear. Wow, that's pretty clear to me. He previously said that these charts paint a pretty bullish outlook because of the volume indicators are good, not to mention the moving averages are trending up. He added that this monthly chart, coupled with his proprietary indicator, is printing a buy signal, which in the past has meant a big upside move. And taking a look at this graph, 7 out of 8 times we went long. Cash. long. So that, my friend, is a sign. And in other crypto news, Bitcoin transactions hit a major milestone. We're talking about 500 million BTC transactions. That's a pretty big deal. Let's talk about it. For most people, Bitcoin's success is usually measured in terms of its price. Even if you're a long-term hodler, it's hard not to get excited by some good old-fashioned volatility and epic 32% monthly hikes. No kidding, right? But while the number one crypto looks to set break 10,000 very soon. Other key metrics are equally as impressive right now. News has broken that the Bitcoin network transactions just surpassed the 500 million mark today. This number is confirmed by blockchain.com and comes at a time when the Bitcoin network is hitting new records left and right. Look at this ascension. Total number of transactions, you can see from 2012 where it was flatlined and then it started soaring. And interestingly enough, 2012 was a Bitcoin halvening. So in 2013, we started to see that parabolic rise, and it just has continued up all the way to where we're currently at in 2020. According to findings by Digital Assets Data, the majority of Bitcoin owners are confident in its future. In fact, as many as 10.7 million Bitcoins have not moved in over a year. That's almost 60% of the entire supply of Bitcoin firmly parked, which is around $84.5 billion at today's price. Now, rather than trading or exchanging their BTC, the vast majority are confident the price will be higher in the future. Not only that, but the leading crypto is gaining more traction in the general conversation as well. Bitcoin's NVT tweet ratio, a measure of market cap, has a multiple of social activity, recently reached an all-time high as well. And checking out this tweet, number one, Bitcoin NV tweet ratio, a measurement of market cap as a multiple of social activity, recently reached an all-time high. NV tweet ratio equals market cap, 30-day average tweet volume 1 million. And then let's go on to the next one. Here's number two. Bitcoin now has the highest NV tweet ratio among the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. So whatever noise comes out of the alt community, the number one asset is still the most talked about cryptocurrency on the internet. And added to that, Bitcoin hash rate hit another all-time high last week as it topped 123 quintillion hashes per second. That's 123 million terahashes per second. Holy moly. And charts don't lie. We can see this parabolic rise. So Bitcoin is hitting new all-time highs all around the board. Why wouldn't you expect the Bitcoin price to reach a new all-time high, especially this year with the Bitcoin halvening right around the corner? And checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown, we have 95 days, 13 hours, 37 minutes, and 18 seconds left until the infamous Bitcoin halvening. And at this show, we'll be breaking it down every day, counting towards this block reward halving to help celebrate and bring awareness towards Bitcoin and the Bitcoin halving. So be sure to share this episode. This is the highest ever hash rate value recorded on the network. Not only is it a sign that miners are bullish, but it shows that the network is more secure than ever. And this is very important. With more mining nodes active, the chances of a malicious attack on the blockchain are greatly reduced. You know what I mean? So it's very unlikely anything will happen to BTC, hence why it's been strong for over a decade now, going on 12 years actually. The Bitcoin halving is on the horizon. Many analysts are calling for a new bull market, and the network just hit over 500 million Bitcoin transactions. All in all, I'd say this is a pretty great start for the year. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. The current crypto market cap is sitting at $274 billion. It's been on the climb, and the volume in the past 24 hours, 137 billion, which has also been on the climb. And the current Bitcoin dominance is 64.1%. So it's taken a step back as alts continue to surge. Could we be on the verge of our next alt season? What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. And taking a look at the top gainers in the top 100, Neem is currently up 20%. That's a nice surge. Currently trading at 6.1 cents. Hedera is up 19%, trading at 2.3 cents. V Systems up 15%, trading at 5 cents. Nexo up 12%, trading at 16 cents. Steam up 12%, trading at 20 cents, and Matic Network up 11%, trading at 2.3 cents. And taking a look at the top losers, Centrality down 20%, trading at 6.8 cents. Bytecoin down 15%, trading at 0.0002. MadeSafe Coin down 4%, trading at 10 cents. Swipe down 1.8%, trading at $1.65. Synthetics Network down 1%, trading at $1.10. And Seal down 0.77%, trading at 8 cents. And taking a look at more gainers, let's just see how many gainers do we have in the top 100 today. Holy moly, we have definitely the majority share of the top cryptos are in the green, which is a very bullish sign for cryptocurrency. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see there is 166 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with longs leading 52% versus 47% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Drop me a comment right down below. And checking out the crypto greed and fear index, we're currently rated a 61 in greed. Yesterday we were rated a 53, which is neutral, and last week a 55 in greed, and last month a 41 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And I want to encourage you to check out the community section of my YouTube channel by clicking on the community tab. This way you can interact with my most recent polls, which I like to share here pretty often. My most recent one says March 1st, 2020, what will the Bitcoin price be? And 37% of you voted between $12,000 and $13,000 plus. I hope you're correct, because last time I asked regarding the Bitcoin price action, y'all were very accurate. I asked February 1st, 2020, what will the Bitcoin price be? And 35% of you put between 9 and 10,000, which was precisely where we were at, about 92, 9,300. So kudos to you. I hope you're right again. So be sure to check out the community section of the channel. And be sure to check out below this video by clicking show more. Check out the detailed description I include in all of my videos, as well as all these resources, including the blog for my podcast, which is cryptonewsyes.com. You can download my latest episodes every single day. We're also on all major podcasting platforms, including iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio. So as you can see, a lot of work goes into this show. And if you're on one of these communities, please help me support the channel and spread awareness and get the word out. I truly appreciate it. Also, be sure to follow us on Twitter. And we do have a private crypto Facebook group, over 17,000 strong. All you need to do to become a part of it is click the link and request to join, and I will add you. It's free to do so, even though I could easily charge to be a part of this group like a lot of other influencers do. I just give it away for free to help spread the awareness. And also, I have a private crypto Telegram chat I am very active in. There's a link to join it right here. I hope to see you a part of our community. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin crypto rocket ship heading straight to the moon. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And holy moly, we're still pumping. Bitcoin now trading at $9,783. I'm pretty confident we're about to smash 9,800, and fingers crossed that we smash that major $10,000 resistance today. Will it happen? Let me know your prediction in the comments right down below. And if you got value out of today's show, smash that subscribe button, right? Get the word out, share the show. And if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.